boy No Chill Chad checking in, and we were outside. We were having a discussion, talking about autos, manuals, things of the sort. You know, it's about saving the manuals, and because the manuals are dying off, but everybody wants to go to 10 speeds, 8 speeds, and they're bragging about them and saying, hey, you know, I love manuals, but this new auto life is definitely where it's at. So what I got here is
this your boy, that fly guy vet, and you know, MS Tuning did the tuning on this car, and he's vouching for it. He's like, yo, this is where it's at. So we decided to take the car for a little ride and see if it's gonna just sell me on an auto C7 Z06, because I'm still considering a C6 ZR1, because of course I love the manuals, but he's saying these autos are still fun. So we're gonna go for a ride. We're gonna see if he's telling the tale or if it's just some real life. All right, stay tuned. All right. Go ahead, put you in sport. Yeah, so yeah, she got a little get up to it. Yeah,
She's like ready.
Yeah, she got a little get up to it.
You just put it in drive, or you usually
just
manual?
put it in drive.
Put it in drive.
Just leave it in drive, and when you're ready to go and try and do a pull, just drop it down to a gear.
Okay.
And foot down, it's gonna shift on its own.
That easy.
That easy. I'm telling you.
So I ain't gotta hold the clutch in and then downshift it. None of that. You said you could do this while you just holding your cell phone.
Yeah.
Damn good throttle response, I tell you that.
It's not even track.
What we in?
We in sport.
We in sport.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's gonna be my first time in the passenger seat actually feeling how it feels.
Hey.
You probably want to get to about maybe, I don't know, about 45, 50.
Okay.
Before you, I don't know how these tires gonna feel, but you're gonna definitely feel the spin. But once it hook, it's gone.
Hey man, I'm kind of a little nervous at the same time. I've driven a manual, and it was full bolt on, and I mean it was fun. Like, it was a fun, smooth car. I definitely would love to have taken it like into some mountains or something, you know. But actually, you know what? I think it was on the same road I took it down, to be honest.
Once you get out here, hey, you can give it a little bit. You can see how it reacts to it.
Yo!
Told you.
Yo!
Hey.
Oh my God. Yo.
Oh yeah, it moves.
Yo.
Just trying to tell you, man.
That was like less than an 1/8 mile. Oh my God. This is bananas.
This one's staying for a little bit. You see? Stay in for a little bit. Let it shift through a couple gears and see how you like it.
Oh my goodness.
You can roll that over from here and see.
Bruh, this is motherfucking bananas, bro.
So it's a different feel than the manual, man.
Oh my God.
It's not the same thing, man. See, the power in here feel a lot different than the manual. It's something about it.
Bro, it feel like it's 1,000 wheel.
I told you. That auto life is real.
It feels like it's 1,000 wheel.
There's no brake to it. It's just gone.
Oh my God. I'm not banging. There's no lift shift. No lift shift. Yo.
So that first gear you feel it, then that second is gone.
It's gone.
And this is not on the radio. So it's holding power so that you can keep it planted.
This is crazy.
You still think that auto ain't working?
One more time.
Go ahead, give me one more. Go ahead. come back around the next way, I'm gonna show you.
Yo, not even in it. That was probably like 75, 80% throttle.
And that was one gear.
One?
That was one
That
gear.
was one?
That was one
Oh
gear.
my God. Got 8 of these hoes.
That was one gear, man.
Oh man, I'm gonna let these cars go through. Man.
Told you it's the difference, man.
Bruh. This is like crack.
It's gonna make you a believer.
This is like
You
crack.
with the windows down, but just a little bit. Just give you a little, crack.
Hey, oh, they go 12 right there. You turn.
You better hope you turn first.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. You turn?
No, they ain't turned yet. They still ain't turned.
Shit, you gotta catch me now.
Downshift. Keep it around 45. Go down again. One more time.
Second.
Go to 45. Go.
That's the blower line?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, I see what you're talking about. For all you auto guys, now I see. At least for the vet. At least for boosted, boosted cars. Now I see.
It's a fun little monster, man.
Wow.
Figured I'd let you experience what this auto life bought, man. Because I told you it's fast.
Yeah, he ain't lie. So once he does
The
heads cam,
yeah, lower pulley, we'd be somewhere in the 8s.
whoa,
800 horsepower range. Still gonna feel like 1,000, but it's fun.
man.
What's the next one? But speechless. Right with them cars coming out.
Yeah, I'm damn sure speechless. Ain't gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it 1,000. But bruh. Yeah. I might be sold, man. I might be sold. Problem is, the autos are more expensive than the manuals.
This man gonna be at the dealership first day of Monday morning. Trying to find one.
Man.
I mean, if you need a lead on one, I ain't gonna say I don't know nobody, but we can find you one, a suitable one.
Yeah, I might just want to find one that's already got that full bolt on. Save me some time and money. Shit. I might have to tell her car ain't fast.
I think hers faster than mine. Was crazy. I think maybe. Then you got all the creature comforts, heated and cool seats,
So
suede everywhere.
So am I taking the C6 ZR1 off my list now?
Hey, I don't know, man. This will definitely change your mind. Definitely change your mind.
I can change your mind, baby.
I mean, on a C6 ZR1, I guess, you can take the top off, but man,
No, you can't.
you ain't got the heated cool seats.
Yeah, ain't no, creature comforts in that thing.
This date night car, you go park next to some Rolls Royces and stuff like that. Just chill. Be the loudest one in the room.
Alright. Well, I've come to a conclusion that the auto, you do a little something to it, and if MS Tuning, Matt, if he touches it, it's his damn sure a worthy car. So if y'all see me in an auto C7Z, don't say about, oh, you ain't banging gears, because I'm gonna gap your ass, and it doesn't matter on the track or the road. All right, so I appreciate it.
No problem.
Fly Guy Vet, No Chill Chat, check it out. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Hit the little bell button. I got some more dope videos coming, man. So you might see one of these in the driveway. Take it easy.